balance this equation, NaOH plus H2SO4 yields Na2SO4 plus H2O. Let's count up the atoms on each side of the equation. For the sodium atom, we have one of those. Oxygens, we have one, but be careful, we have one here and we have four here. So we have a total of 5 oxygen atoms. Hydrogens, we only have one, but be careful again, there's 2 right here, so 1 plus 2, that equals 3, and there's only 1 sulfur. On the product side, we have 2 Nas, we have oxygens, we have 4 plus the 1, for a total of 5 oxygen atoms. Hydrogens, we have the 2. And sulfurs, we have 1. Looking at these numbers, we see the sodium, that's not balanced. The oxygens are balanced. Hydrogens, no. And then the sulfurs, they're balanced as well. Why don't we take and fix the sodiums first and see what happens? So if I put a 2 in front of the sodium, the 1 times the 2, that'll give me 2 sodiums. But now I've got to update my oxygens. So I have 1 times 2, I have 2 oxygens, plus the 4 here, I have 6 oxygens, and I need to update my hydrogens as well. I have the 1 times the 2, so 2 hydrogens, and then I have these 2 here. So I have a total of 4 hydrogen atoms. Sulfurs, they stay the same. Over on the product side, the sodium, that's balanced, and then the oxygens, not balanced, hydrogens, not balanced. It seems the easiest thing to do is fix the hydrogens right now. I do like to leave the oxygens till last. So why don't we put a 2 in front of the H2O, and now 2 times 2, that'll give us 4 hydrogen atoms, and those are balanced, and then we need to update the oxygens. So we have our 4 oxygens here, and now we have the 1 times the 2, 2, so we have 6 oxygens, and the equation's balanced. The key to the equation, and where people have problems, is that we have 1 oxygen here, and they forget they need to add these. Or we have the 1 hydrogen, and they forget to add the 2 here. So make sure you add up all the atoms when you're balancing the chemical equation. This is Dr. B with the balanced equation for sodium hydroxide plus sulfur.